How to unblock websites on a school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you would be requiring proxies, and one of the proxy is that you just simply go to your browser and in the address bar simply type blockaway.net, and after that just hit enter. Now wait for it to load, and this is how it will appear. Now over here you can search for anything that you want to open up and it should be opened up. Suppose you want to open up Instagram, just simply search for instagram.com, and after that click on this option of go. Now wait for it and let it do its work. After that you should be able to open Instagram or any other website for that matter, and this is how you would be able to open up all the websites on a school Chromebook using proxies. And sometimes it might take a little while, but all you have to do is just wait for it and be patient. And this is how it will appear. Now you can use this website just like you use any other regular website. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.